First and foremost, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You see me I say people, give thanks to all of the subscribers. You get me I say? Yeah man, whole heap of blessings man. We not go too long, you know. You see me I say? Next thing, big up Vybz Kartel himself and big up the boss new song, Bikey. You see me? Big up to all I come of them a yard, same way you don't know a thing go. Come of them a run with a Jamaica and you hear that. You see come of them a come boy, come out of the way. You hear that? Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel again. For recognize the Congo them on the street. You see me I say? Because everybody have to eat, brother. Bikey, a big song. To my listening and knowledge, a big song Vybz Kartel make you hear that. You know them money always come through properly for youth, them, you see me? For people them of dancers, see me make good music for people, them, you see me I say? Yeah man, people me just want to listen Bikey, you see me? You don't know where you're going on. Vybz Kartel never let me down, you know, you hear that? And the next thing me have to say, big up to dancehall hot seat, because you don't know over there me get the a piece of clip from when me I go show the people. You see me? And this man I let the whole Jamaica know what I go on, you see me? From Fame Eyes when he used to their own Vybz Kartel. In a way him say him now small up Vybz Kartel, you know? But to be honest, him kinda I do him thing, you see, because I'm under him aisle, you know. Man drink him alcohol, so you know when man drink them alcohol, them must speak freely. You get me? My opinion. Just listen to him, people. Swear. And then only can tell me what you think in the comment section, same way. You see me? If you think when I say right, or if you think when I say wrong. You see me?
Big man a big man, boy is a boy.
Yeah.
Girl want long love them no one tie.
Yeah.
That's why she run with 1 minute try. And a Vybz Kartel the cat imply. Ask me one, ask me, cause I'm not
Yeah, no part of time.
No, I'm Mickey him shorty. I'm Mickey him shorty. Wait there.
Wait, me never really want.
Me know yeah man. Me know yeah man. Me know that song, but
Nah,
I'm
you
afraid.
say to them, me not because me ask a question. Me ask a question. Me ask a question. Me ask a question.
Yo. Me know that song the one. Go on man, ask me one ask. Because we are well fight.
So you get Vybz Kartel shotty?
Yeah, I never really want to go there, but yeah, I was with her first.
Huh?
Yeah. So,
Ghandi.
someone asked me and someone answered, man.
Ghandi, what you say? You used to talk to shotty first?
Yeah, before him, yeah.
Before
Big up, and this is no, we not try disrespect nobody or nothing. Big up Tanisha chance. Big up Tanisha chance.
I'm a queen, man. You know
I'm a general.
Yeah, general.
Yeah, but I did me first. Yeah.
Before teacher?
Yeah.
So you feel like that cause vibes?
That I know me feel blind man if they have a glass, but me not blind.
So okay, so two on our Para's friend.
Yeah.
You have a girlfriend and he no.
No, alright, let me get
Come here, try.
pass a rum, they give me short some more rum. Alright, you go on. More rum. Yeah. That's all look at. That's all look at. And them I give me drink, you know. Alright, pull up this.
That the boss saying that the boss saying a rum drink and them talk rum talk. Me no want to come blame me.
No, sir, real time. Yeah, so like we are saying, I was with her first. I respect you to her. Yeah, same way. You understand? But you know, your dog a roll. And you say, yo, you know, say the machine, yeah, your dog a reason. And you say, yo, you see the machine, yeah, deadly machine, this, you know. When you tap in the gas and it shoots, you know. Dog say, what you say? See, I'm a deadly machine, man. The dog say, hey, I want to drive. So I say, all right, then, yo, I don't give you a drive. But just go around the block and forward and just put on your seatbelt and drive. Safe.
Okay.
As a dog to a dog. Tell the dog, say, put on your seatbelt and drive. Safe.
Pass me lighter.
But the man want lighter. What is that?
When the man drive.
Yeah, so we said to get put on your seatbelt and drive. See?
Drive far.
Dog, drive and love the drive. But we explain to you, say, the shocks kind of stay away. So just be careful. So the dog still go tell back and say whatever me say, this and that and read between the line when I go this up. You understand? So the dog get something where him fall in love with. And we see that. And the dog make a family right there, so. And you see when a man make a family somewhere, you just